Almost hit me in the head.
It's alright.
Alright, my friend got bit by a spider. Went to urgent care. The swelling was all the way down and around here. When you get bit by a spider or anything like that, you want to circle the infected area. I don't know if you can tell right in here, and that's where we had it done. Where it circled it when it happened, so that way you guys could keep the track of the infection. I'm going to go ahead and cut this open and sanitize all my stuff. You can either use rubbing alcohol or fire. I prefer my lighter. There's my plunger. I'll show you what kit I used. I got paper towel out here. No. That's alright. I'll put rubber gloves on to protect yourself if you've got an open sore on your hand. You don't want that infection in it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I've already went ahead and did this once. So I'm just taking the scab off of it. Re-sanitize it. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here as soon as I pull the top of it up. And it's going to make a suction around that insect bite. Alright, you want to hold that for me? Gotta be down on the thing. Alright. Yeah. Pick up your arms so they get a better view of it. You see all this. All the poisons and everything coming out of it. Oop. That does happen. It will fall off.
It broke.
No, it didn't break. Those tops are interchangeable. As you can see, it's drawing all that out. Jump a little?
No, you just hold a little hair.
There's some of the pus and all that coming out of it. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off. Yeah, the fact that we have dogs in the house, you don't want any infection in there. And put it back on there. Got that core popping out on this side. Got it?
Yep.
This is the kit that I got from Walmart. It's about $15 without taxes. I swear by it. Takes care of snake bites, bee stings, obviously spider bites. It's still taking as antibiotics. You definitely want to go to the doctor when you get bit by spiders. They narrowed it down to a black spider or a brown recluse. It looks like that thing's full.
Yeah, it's gonna blow off.
You can feel it.
Ooh, I got more starting right there.
Yeah. You see the infection coming out of it though. That white core right there is what you want to pull out.
It's good.
You good?
Yeah, for a minute.
Alright. Alright, we got one section right in here that needs to be broke open. That wasn't too bad.
Just leave it for a minute.
And dog saliva has a natural antibiotic in it. So if a dog wants to lick your wound, let him. My knife fell on the floor. I like using this size knife just because it's small, lightweight. Got a lot of advantages to it. And pulling pus and blood out of it. You can probably hear my dog in the background drinking his water. I'm gonna hold that, Kenny, right back here. There you go. Try to get you guys to see what's going on here. Let's see all the pus and all that bubbling up through there. That's nasty, but that kit works real well. And that's how you take care of a spider bite. The doctors get your antibiotics. And what I just showed you. You see all the pus coming out of it from the infection. The infection was this long. It has now gradually came to about here. But that's what we're getting out of it.